So this is showing you my Audiolab 8300 CD or 82300 CD. If you see the display flickering, it's the recording that makes it. For me, it looks absolutely steady. So it must be the clocking, because I see it also on the screen on the phone while I'm filming. The controls are relatively simple. There is a select to select the input for the DAC. There's a built-in DAC on this one. It should be the same as the DAC Plus, I believe. But I don't know. The net says so. The remote is a universal one that also can be used for CD, the audio, and then the network player. Not the 6000N. That will not work with this one. But there was I think there was a higher version of a network player once in this series. But so, or maybe it's when you have the audio system, you can use the network player in that one. So, but it's a nice standard remote. Seen worse, seen better, but okay. So it has this. Some people like it, some hate it. This slot-in mechanism here to load your CD. It's fairly slick. I don't have anything to say bad against it. I never had any complaints about using a CD. It was always very stable. Okay, on the back, yeah, this is still powered on because I want to show you the slotting the slot loading while it's still powered on. It has quite a few inputs. It had the trigger in and out, the USB input, and AES3 input, digital input, 2 coaxial or electrical and 2 optical inputs, an optical output, and coaxial output, and an XLR, or that will be the IS3 digital output. And then on the analog side, it has 2 coaxial and 2 balanced digital outputs. So it's quite well equipped. And then the power. I have used it. I had the only bad experience I had with the USB is that it turned out that the USB input with, for instance, Project S2 box Stream Ultra can be a little bit tricky with the USB. But yeah, that's how it is. Okay, let's open this one. I already unscrewed it because there was a hell of a lot of screws in, and on my other videos, yeah. Okay, it's well organized in here. Turn it the other way around. This is interesting. The power input is here, and then there is a compartment here that is shielded off. And in there must be some kind. It's metal. It's some kind of a metal. So I believe there is some kind of some special power supply in there. You can see there is a circuit board in there. And then the power continues around here and goes over here, and this is a quite big power supply or transformer for just a CD and a DAC. But also when you look at it, you can just count the numbers of regulators in here and how many electrolytes they put in. And the Saber ESS DAC is there, and it's I guess here you can even balance out the balanced outputs, probably. It's a guess. and relays for shutting it on and off the outputs. It's absolutely stunning. They put a lot in here. This looks like a clogging board. This is the XMOS. I guess this is the for the digital input, but you can see here there's a lot of crystals on it. So it's I have to say I'm gonna let this one go because I got something else, but I'm gonna show you that in another video. What does it say down here? There's something with the PCM, but yeah, nice looking. So let's see how is the slotting or slot mechanism working. Ejecting, reinserting the disc. Yeah, looks very much one for a computer, but that could be good enough as long as the timing and so forth is okay. So I hope you can use this for something. Just to give a look how it was looking inside. I find it very nice, to be honest. Oh, there's something more here. What's going on? Oh, that's again from the power supply. It's coming back here from the transformer. So sorry for the disturbance. So let's go back here. Okay. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice evening or day, wherever you are.